It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 Tremor. You notice these nice orange accents throughout the exterior of the vehicle, and you also have that inside. Now it has a carbonized gray exterior. The interior is a black sport cloth, and you're going to notice that the black sport cloth looks a little bit different than on the other vehicles. The other F-150s like the XLT is just a little more customized for the Tremor look. You also have these power coated running boards. It has a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has that nice power sliding rear window, as well as a twin panel moonroof and many more features. If you'd like to take this beauty out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's 4x4. If you'd like to have a look inside, stay tuned. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as a B&O badging for your audio system. And you've got power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you're seeing this nice orange stitching as well as the Tremor badging on the back of the seat. And then on the floor, you've got the carpeted mats, again with the Tremor badging. And then off to the side here, you've got your electronic parking brake, power pedals, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tailgate release, and there's a running board as well as a grab handle, just making it easier to get in. And again, you're seeing these nice orangey gold accents. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. And then this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're gonna push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and the menu. So let's get out of there. It's just reminding us we need some fuel in a little bit. So trip 1, trip 2, Eco Coach, fuel economy, and then back around again. And these all have sub-menus. And then up top, you're seeing the B&O badging again, little bin. And then you have your camera view. So this is out the back, that's the back bumper, and you've got your green, yellow, red, just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles, and the central line that's dotted. This is just a protective cover. That caution and red line, that'll come off when the vehicle's sold. You can press this again and it brings you back to the main menu. You see that you have a side menu, and then you have your main menu here. And then up top, I'm just going to show you the rest of it, is the hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. We can go into sources by just touching on the screen, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We can touch down on navigation, and you're seeing it to the right as well. So that's a mini menu that's there. You choose your destination. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see that backup camera view again. It's the same view you saw with the camera. And so I'm just going to put us back into park, and then we can go into settings. There's different options there, and you can just touch on them. Then they have sub-menus inside of them. So for instance, you can change the look of the display. General, you can actually change the measurements. So if you wanted to go from kilometers to miles or Celsius to Fahrenheit and back again, you can do that. You also have your software updates and so forth. You can toggle through this mini menu as well. And then you've got your volume and tuner, dual climate control, dual heated seats. Got your AC and max AC, as well as your front and rear defrost, and your fans in the center there. And then down below, you've got a USB, USB-C, and a little place to put items. You've got your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 with locking differential and your drive mode. So as we dial through, you're going to see it on the dash. So in the center there, normal, tow haul, and the icons change, eco, sport, and then back around again, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. Whoops, there we go, rock crawl. So as the road conditions change, your mood changes, or the weather changes, you can adapt to that and get yourself more or less traction and control that you would need for that. And then in the center, again, you're seeing this nice stitching. This is just an accent of the Tremor. It's an automatic select shifter, and if you wanted it to go down, you just press this and it'll go flat, and then you have a work surface here. You've got a couple of cup holders, so you just press the button again, it'll bring it right up. Your armrest opens up, and it's got a little bin in here. You also have lots of room down below, your USB, USB-C. And the other thing I'll just mention, this vehicle doesn't have it. However, you can option for your center console to be a interior work surface. So what would happen, this would go down, and then you can pop this flat. You could put a computer, eat your lunch, whatever you wanted to do, which is kind of nice. And then up top here, you have an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls. And as well, you have that power sliding window in the rear, sunglass holder. You have upfitter switches. And as well, you've got a power moonroof as well as the screen. So that's the screen to go across, and here's the moonroof. So I'm just pressing this. I'm just going to show you how big this is, and it's quite generous. Gives you lots of light, and then you can put the screen across if you don't want as much light. And there's a grab handle in the body, and you're all set to go. 18-inch alloy wheels with dark matte finish. Body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad, powder coated running boards, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, and the Tremor badging. And in the rear, the body colored handle. Just above it is where your backup camera is located. To the right is the LED light. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And as well, you've got the tow hooks on the back here. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can just simply double click your fob. And then it brings it down. It's powered. Got tie downs in all 4 corners as well as box link. And you've got this nice little workstation if you'd like on the back. It's imperial and metric ruler, as well as this hard cover. You also have clamps on each end. And then your tailgate step, you just press the button and pull it out. You're seeing that yellow knob. That is a handle that pulls out, gives you some stability getting in and out of the box. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. Or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, and you're noticing the B&O badging for your audio system, power windows, and this nice orange stitching. You also have a grab handle in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand. It gives you more room on the floor. And then to bring the seat down, just pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. And in the center, a couple of cup holders, your air vents, 12 volt, USB, USB-C, and a 120 volt. Up top, this nice twin panel moonroof, your lighting and hooks. And in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper. 5.5-foot box, power tailgate, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors that have blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.